I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. A vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design.
Every night I lie in bed, the endless colors fill my head, a million dreams keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all.
Close my eyes and I can see a world is waiting up for me that I call my home. Through the dark, through the dawn, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care if you call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Good afternoon, Westfield, and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. It's been a really special week because we've welcomed so many of you back to school. You're all back in your classrooms with your teachers and with your friends, and as you now know, our big surprise was to welcome you back with a circus. I'm really delighted that you've had so much fun, that you've enjoyed reconnecting, and the learning you've taken from the circus back into your classrooms has been fantastic. We are certainly ending the week on a positive. So let's find out who has been Pupil of the Week this week, with us all being back in school together. First of all, we must complete our promise. After 3, 1, 2, 3. We promise, we before me, encouraging to everyone, safe and respectful to all, the best that we can be, full of courage, inspired and inspiring to others, excellent in all we do, learning together, determined to succeed. Straight over to our ducklings to find out who Mrs. Abbott has chosen.
It has been absolutely wonderful to have all of our ducklings back with us this week. And one person has really stood out for me, and that is Ellie May. She has been so helpful looking after some of the new starters this week. She has shown them where to put their coats, where to put their belongings, where to find our resources, and really encouraged them to join in with her games, which is absolutely lovely. Well done, Ellie May.
And in our Puffin class and Wren class this week, pupils of the week are...
It's been so hard to choose this one because we've had such an excellent week with all children, but we've decided on Aidan. Aidan has been doing some fantastic writing, trying really hard to apply his phonic knowledge. We've had our role play area set up as a circus ticket booth, and he's been taking our orders for the snacks that we want in the intervals, and it's really nice to be able to see you using the phonics that we learnt during lockdown and apply those in your writing. So great job, Aidan, well done.
This week, our pupil of the week is going to Lily. Lily, you have settled in so quickly back into our normal school routine in our class. It has been absolutely fab. You've just picked up where we've just left off before Christmas as well. You are taking pride in your work and you're applying yourself so much in your maths and your phonics as well. So Lily, you are Wren's pupil of the week. Well done.
And on and up into year 1, what about our magpie and our wagtail classes?
Good afternoon, Magpies, and well done for your first week back after our remote learning. It was great to have you all back in the classroom. This week's Pupil of the Week is Alyssa Scott in Magpie class. She has come in every morning with such enthusiasm and a smile on her face. Her work has been excellent. Her focus on every task that we've challenged her with this week has been great to see, and she has really shown herself to be a team player and worked well with her partner. She's trying very hard at her writing and her maths, and she's made great progress. this week with her greater than and less than, and using the signs and numbers brilliantly. She is really trying hard to recognise all her numbers up to 30, and she's made great strides with this. So well done, Alyssa. I'm so very proud of you this week. Keep it up.
Wagtail's Pupil of the Week this week is Milo. He has been trying super duper hard this week to make good choices and to let the grown-ups help him when he's having any problems with either another child or with his learning, rather than taking it all on board himself and not knowing how to deal with it. So well done, Milo, for letting us help you and for showing great confidence in new learning, which can sometimes be a little bit tricky for you. So keep it up, keep with that determination, well done.
And in year 2, which Heron and which Robin have impressed?
Thank you, Mrs. Kittle. Heron Pupil of the Week is a very striking example of somebody who is absolutely determined to succeed. I noticed this during lockdown, and I'm continuing to notice that this week here at school. So very, very well done to Millie McCulloch. You are absolutely determined to succeed. And not only that, you've been very helpful and encouraging to others, so that I know that you really want other people to succeed as well, which is a wonderful thing. Well done, Millie.
My Pupil of the Week this week goes to somebody who, I'm sure they won't mind me saying, was a little bit nervous coming back to school, and they have just come back and they have blown my socks off. They have been coming in beautifully in the mornings, and they've been working incredibly hard, producing particularly some fantastic writing, and it's just been really lovely to see her back with a big smile on her face. So my Pupil of the Week this week goes to Angel. Well done, Angel. I'm really super proud of you.
And in year 3, we are talking about Pupils of the Week from both Skylark class and Sparrow class.
My Pupil of the Week this week for Sparrow class is Bradley Mason. Bradley has been showing exceptional progress this week in his handwriting and in the amount he's been choosing to write. We've noticed that the amount he's been writing has just been growing and growing as the week has been going on. He's been doing really well with reading every day in the classroom, and we've just been really impressed this week. So well done, Bradley.
Hi everybody. This week in Skylark class, I have chosen Elizabeth to be our Pupil of the Week. And I've chosen her for a couple of reasons, but the main reason being that she's come back to school into our fantastic week of learning this week and has really been determined to do the best that she can, making some fantastic choices in her learning and really working on her attitude towards her learning as well. So well done, Elizabeth. Keep it up. I hope it lasts forever.
And in year 4, who has Mr. Claridge chosen? Who has Miss Ford chosen this week?
Hello everybody, thank you very much. Good afternoon. My Pupil of the Week for Raven class this week is Eden Morgan, who has been sensational this week. Really super impressed with Eden. She's one of those characters who just comes in, knuckles down, gets on with every task to the best of her ability, no messing around, no fuss, and is really helpful to others, really encouraging. I can't fault Eden's behaviour or work rate or attitude to learning whatsoever. It's really, really nice to have people like Eden in the class. Thank you very much, Eden. Keep up all the amazing work.
Hey Mockingbirds, it's been so hard to pick somebody this week for the first week back, but the person that I've chosen has shown absolutely amazing attitude towards his learning and also towards his friendship groups when he's returned. He's had a massive smile on his face all week and it's been really lovely to see, and that's Kyle. Well done, Kyle.
In year 5, what about our Kestrel and Kingfisher class?
Hi, this week Kestrel's Person of the Week is Sophie. On Monday we had a PSHE session where we talked about anxieties that people might have coming back from lockdown, and she gave some really, really thoughtful advice. So it's just really lovely to see her taking part in group discussions like that, and also to see her taking her own advice in dealing with her own anxieties. It's just been really lovely to see. So well done this week, Sophie.
Hello, my Pupil of the Week in Kingfisher class this week is Grace. Now, Grace, you have impressed me so much with your amazing attitude to learning since we've come back into school. I know over lockdown you found things a little bit tricky, but since we've come back you've been working really, really hard with a huge smile on your face, and it has genuinely been so, so lovely to see. So well done. Keep up the amazing work, Grace.
And finally, in Year 6, let's find out who Miss Blake and Mrs Reynolds have chosen.
Good afternoon, my pupil of the week this week in Eagles is Jake. You were here this entire time throughout lockdown and you slipped seamlessly back into everyday school life, which is superb. You've really been driven with your learning this week and really enjoyed it, which is absolutely excellent, Jake. So proud of everything that you've achieved and you've been having a really good go at absolutely everything that I've challenged you to. Superstar, keep it up.
From Starling class, our pupil of the week this week was really hard to pick because so many people came back with such a fantastic attitude. Obviously, everyone's really happy to be back in school, seeing their friends. Our pupil of the week though this week is Eden. Eden, you have really excelled this week as you came back. You are showing us that you really want to learn, be the best learner that you can be. You're trying so hard in all of your lessons. You're also trying to be the best friend that you can be in school as well, and we really appreciate it. And not only that, I really appreciate all the help that I always get from you around the classroom. Thank you, Eden, and congratulations.
Really well done, Westfield. Thank you too for your votes for our new Schools Council representatives. We are going to be finding out first thing on Monday morning who has been chosen from your letters of application, and our first meeting will be at 10 o'clock. How exciting. Look forward to that over the weekend. Our staff member of the week this week is somebody who always smiles at people, greets them with positivity, listens to what we're doing in school each week, wants to get it right, is certainly behind everybody being here at school, and has continued to work hard during lockdown. And that person is Miss Kenwood. So well done for being our staff member of the week. It's time that you see your own certificate as well as coordinating everybody else's. Well done. Have a really wonderful weekend, Westfield, and we will look forward to seeing you all again on Monday morning. Bye-bye.